It was just another Wednesday morning in the city that never sleeps. New York was waking up. The streets were filling, horns were echoing through concrete canyons, and at the heart of Manhattan, the Port Authority bus terminal, tens of thousands were making their daily journey. But at 6:15 a.m. everything changed. Two buses, one tight ramp, and in an instant, impact. The crash happened on the fourth floor of the terminal, right at the Lincoln Tunnel's inbound lane. One bus collided with the rear of another, a sudden jolt that turned a routine commute into a chaotic scene. Deputy Chief Jason Safon of the FDNY described the scene with precision and, a real sense of weight. One bus made contact with the rear of the other bus, he said, but it was more than just a fender bender. 12 people were injured. Thankfully, none of the injuries were life-threatening, but for one driver, it was serious. He was trapped, pinned in the twisted metal of the driver's seat. Firefighters had to extricate him, carefully, urgently, using specialized equipment to free him from the wreckage. It required some extrication, Chief Safon explained, meaning they had to use equipment to free the patient. But even getting help to the scene wasn't easy. The crash caused a bottleneck, a traffic jam on a ramp designed to keep New York flowing. Paramedics and firefighters had to work with Port Authority police, finding a way up the wrong side of the ramp just to get ambulances to the injured. We had some difficulty getting up the ramp, Safon said, because it backed traffic up behind it. It was a logistical puzzle. And in New York, every second matters. As rescue teams worked, thousands of commuters were left stranded or rerouted. NJ Transit had no choice but to redirect buses away from the Port Authority. Services were pushed to Secaucus Junction, Newark Penn Station, and Hoboken Terminal. But New York adapted, as it always does. NJT Rail and Path Trains stepped in, honoring bus tickets and passes, turning a moment of chaos into a testament of cooperation. Now the investigation begins. How did this happen? Was it mechanical failure? Human error? The answers aren't clear yet, but one thing is, in a city powered by motion, a single crash can ripple out like a wave, changing thousands of days in a heartbeat. This is New York. It moves fast, and even when it breaks, it finds a way forward. If you were affected by the incident, resources are available through NJ Transit and the Port Authority. Stay tuned for updates as the investigation unfolds. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth stories that bring the city to life.